Yeah, we're gonna take a look at GSP1078 Cloud Run Canary deployments, and there's a challenge. Um, Everything runs pretty clear. Step one, step two. It's a little tricky. Just enter to make sure your GitHub's open and clone the GitHub repository. Follow the instructions carefully to make sure you access your GitHub properly also. But then at step 3 and step 4, there's an issue with the build is in a one directory level incorrectly. So effectively, when you try to run these checks here at step 3, it doesn't trigger. And what you have to do is just follow the steps in my GitHub link on this video, and that will allow you to get a green check at step 3, and then proceed to step 4. If you can get the check on step 3, then the check on step 4 is pretty straightforward. Have a good day.